Alright, we're going to take a look at the British pound on a daily basis. As you can see, we have gone considerably higher than the 618 and 786. This sets up what I believe will be a 3 drive to a top pattern up into this area, right up in here, which could be into the 167 level. That would be your A, B, C, D leg. When we came down, we made the 786 retracement at the Gartley down here at the bottom, so that does set up a potential for the longer ABCD on the daily that would take at least, has taken several weeks to fill. That would take you up to this level here around the 167 level. In fact, what we should do is to redraw that to make sure that we get it in near the high price. Now I want to show you what I'm doing. I took this high versus this high. They're very, very close, but this one has better, what I think is better symmetry. There's actually a 3 drive here, 1, 2, 3. There's no question, because see, they hit that that channel line, yeah, that would be called a channel line. See, it hit that very nicely. So what you'd expect now is to see something like that on the upside. Now, from high to high, you'll notice that we went over to this level right here. So what we'd be expecting would be pretty much the same thing, and that would take us in here probably towards the end of the week, and maybe the first, maybe over the first of the week. So that's when I would be expecting to see if the British pound is going to stop at that level. This big wide-ranging bar like this has a pretty good chance of telling us that we're going to go higher. As a matter of fact, if you were of right mind, what you'd want to be doing is to try to find a really nice ABCD pattern somewhere in here. These are kind of small, but to try to find an ABCD pattern that what I think would be tradable. And you have to have at least 40 or 50 pips in your BC swing in order to to make it correct. See, this swing here is just only 20 pips, so you need something more. You need a ABCD that would look maybe something like this, possibly coming in at maybe a 382 level, some at the 382 or the 50%, or maybe even the 61. But this wide bar tells us it looks like we are going higher. So that's it, folks. Live every day in an attitude of gratitude, and may God bless.